Hi guys, hope all is well. I just developed an add-in for Microsoft Excel, which is a great tool for reconciliation. So if you're doing a lot of reconciliations, you'll love this. Let's see how it works. I will just click the start button. So this will open the Microsoft Excel along with the add-in that we have developed for Microsoft Excel. So let's open. So for testing this application, I need two tables. I already created two tables. That's table A and table B. Let's open our table A. So I want to reconcile this table with the table B, which is stored in a different Excel workbook. So let's start and click on Easy Life tab. When you add this Microsoft add-in to your Microsoft Excel, it will automatically create this new tab. So in the new tab, let's click on reconcile button. It will open the new window, which is the actual application. So let's first of all open the file where we have the second table with which we reconcile our current table. Okay, the data is located on sheet 1 and this workbook. So when we click load file, it will import the information, the second table, to this workbook, and will add a new sheet for that. So let's see, if you have noticed, this sheet 2 is added right here. So now we got two tables on sheet 1 and sheet 2. We need to reconcile this table with the sheet 2. So let's carry on and see how it works. Let's add this more information. So table 1 is on sheet 1. This is our table 1. It's on sheet 1, and the data range. So this reconciliation is based on the name. So let's give this the range where the names are located. It starts from A1 and ends at A14. A14. So let's see where our table 2 is. Table 2 is on sheet 2, and that also starts from A1 to A14. Let's make sure if this information is correct. Yes, A1 to A14. Okay, and the last step is just click this reconcile button and it will pick up the errors. It will ta-da, we got it. It just changed the color of the transaction, which is not matching, to red, and also added a text not matched. That's done automatically by this application. And let's copy and paste this table B beside table A to see if they're actually not matching. Yeah, Dallas 7889 7777 and hoo they're really not matching. The application is working perfectly fine. Now the second way to use this add-in is, let's assume that both these data tables were on the same spreadsheet. I mean, we don't need to import it from anywhere, they're already there. So let's use this now. Like, I don't need to import anything. I already have both my tables on the same sheet. So I will change the sheet name to sheet 1, since both the data tables are on sheet 1, and I will have to change the data range. Now they are on D1 to D2. The data table 2 is on D1 to D2. D1 to D1 to D14. For now, don't worry about these additional text box. These are for the data structures which are more complex. Like, let's assume if you have more than 16 columns on your spreadsheet and you want to reconcile, then you can use that. For now, don't worry about that. So let's click the reconcile button and see how it works. Again, it worked perfectly fine. Let's add a couple of more errors. I will change this and will change this. Let's click again the reconcile button to see if it can if it can catch the new errors or not. Okay, I click reconcile. Yeah, it picked up the new errors as well. So this is a wonderful tool if you're doing reconciliations. It can help you save a lot of time. I already developed this, so if anyone needs it, just inbox me. I will send you a copy, and I will even make some minor changes if you need to. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun.